Hello everybody and welcome to part 2 of the kit restoration videos. So tonight's unfortunately a little bit of a sad video for KITT where we get to see the true extent of the rot on the driver's side. So these are a couple of the curious things that I found while I was digging into KITT's driver's side floor. We have a glued on piece of metal. We have some GATS Epson P40 glass fibre filler. If you want to see how bad it gets, stay tuned. Okay guys, we're going to have a wee dig around this and see what we find. It's like that painful pulling off the plaster stage, which is what I reckon this is going to be. But yeah, all I'm going to plan on doing is just stripping back that under seal with the wire brush on the grinder. Maybe back to here, we're not going to go mad on it, and just kind of see exactly what we're dealing with, or maybe try and get a little bit of a better view on it. Wish me luck. Well guys, what do we think? This one here doesn't even look like it's been welded in. This looks like it's been tiger sealed in. Check that out. Nice big bit tiger seal. And we can just pull it off. There you go. I always wondered why I wasted my time welding it. When you can just cut a wee bit of metal and then tiger seal it in place, and then put some white body filler and some glass fibre body filler over the top. Well, that's awesome. So yeah, it does look like we have quite a bit of welding to do under here. And God knows what else is coming out there. Which is not ideal. That's a wee bit worse than I expected it to be. We'll keep on digging away to see if we can find the end of that and then go from there. Right, so me and my helper, we've got the driver's seat out and we're going to pull the carpet back. We've got that bit of trim off to see what the damage is from this angle. I do have a feeling it isn't going to be very nice. So let's get this carpet pulled back out the road as best we can. Get the torch down there. Yeah, and you can see certainly from this angle, you might not be able to make out in here, but this is all pushed up significantly, so we'll need to try and flatten that down. There's a good bit of corrosion going on in here. And hang on till we get the torch set up a little bit. Yeah, we have a peculiar piece of metal sitting there that appears to be glued on. This here. So another fantastic repair job. It looks like some tiger seal along the top. And what that was covering was the other side of all these holes. So inner sill doesn't look too healthy there either. But yeah, certainly disappointed that things have been glued in, taking the time to cut the metal, you could have just had somebody weld it in. But anyway, so we're going to get this conduit here that holds the wiring in, get that off so we can get a wee bit of a better view, and then probably have to take the console and stuff out so we can get this carpet right the way back and out the road. Right, that's that conduit. I've just unclipped that and just holding it out the way so we can get a better view. But yeah, right the way along that seam. I mean, I don't know if that was a seam originally from the factory. I'll need to work out what is actually going on there. Yeah, all of that's going to need to be cut out, certainly from there anyway. This is going to need to be flattened. There's a hole there. I don't know what this is coming up here. This is another plate, or if that's originally how they're configured, and then that's then welded onto the inner sill. I'll need to do a wee bit of research on that. Under here, we have a bit of something going on under here, which I'll need to try and get this rubber out of a proper look. So it looks like a bit of corrosion that hasn't been played with under there. There's a bit of something on that. Yeah, it does look like there's going to be a decent amount of work. This bit's not too bad here as you go into the back. It's hold up there, but yeah, cut straight away along, get that repaired, and then floor, but probably have to get a lot more out the interior to be able to do that. To get the carpet out will need to be the console. That'll also need to come out then the other seat. So it looks like a wee bit bigger job than I anticipated. Well, I hope everybody found that interesting. Stay tuned for part 3 if you want to see how I go about fixing this. Please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll see you all next time.
Please like and subscribe.